How to create an account on Notion. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you create an account on Notion. In order to create an account on Notion, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you have to install the application from your respective app store. So on the search bar, type in Notion and install the app to the latest version. After which, click on the open button, and this is where the interface will take you, right? So what here you could do is simply click on the sign up button, or you could just go ahead and select the way to create your account. So I'm just going to go with continue with email. All right, so now I have to go ahead and enter in the email address, after which it's going to ask me to enter in the password, or it's just going to ask me to enter in a verification code. So what here you need to do is just go ahead and type in the password or a code that will be sent to your email address. And after you're done entering the information, you then need to go ahead and start filling out your personal information, such as your name, first name, last name, all that. Once you've actually done it or continue with that, you'll need to go ahead and read all the terms and conditions, and accordingly you'll have successfully created your account on Notion AI. So this way you'll be able to create your account on Notion. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.